Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's a beautiful day. As you can see, last night it was my daughter's birthday and we had so much fun, but I had made a mistake and bought her slime and Play-Doh, and as you can see, it's all over the floor, it's on the table, it's on the chairs, and I left it like this last night because I wasn't in the mood to clean up. But today we're going to handle that. We're going to do a quick clean with me today. So I'm going to focus on the laundry, this little eating area, the living room, and also our bedroom. And when I say it's going to be a quick clean with me, I want all of you guys to do it with me today. I want you guys to get up and get focused and get some energy, and let's tackle those tough rooms. Let's clean it up together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And yeah, guys, let's reset and get ready for the week. Let's have fun with it. Every Sunday, I make it my business to change out our sheets on our bed, take the pillowcases and throw them in the washer. As you can see, I'm taking my fur pillowcases and I'm about to put them in the washer. But I have to clean my bedding and change out my sheets every Sunday for our bed and also for our kids' beds too. It just helps everyone sleep better. To me, I sleep better when I have clean sheets and when my bed is fresh. I don't know if that's just a mental thing, but I just have to have clean sheets on my bed every week. Every Sunday, I make sure to change out our sheets, to wash our pillowcases as well. And as you can see, I'm putting baking soda all over our mattress. Baking soda helps eliminate any odors, dust mites, or anything else that is on your mattress. It makes the mattress more fresh, makes it smell good, and you're supposed to leave the baking soda on your bed for at least 1 to 2 hours so it can suck up everything from the mattress and bring it to the surface. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna let the baking soda sit for about an hour or two, and I'm gonna go back downstairs to finish cleaning up. So I have cleaned everything up. The living room and the eating area is now clean. All those stains are off the floor. And I wiped down the chairs, cleaned off the table. Floors are clean. Nice and clean in here. So now that I am done with everything in here, I'm gonna go back upstairs and finish making up, our bed, and that'll be it, guys. So let's go back upstairs and let's do the bed. Now that I'm done making up our bed, I added our fresh, clean sheets and pillowcases on the bed. As you can see, I tried to make it look as pretty as possible, but this is not how it looks all the time. I love a nice, clean, fresh bed. It helps me sleep better. I notice when I clean the sheets on my kids' beds, they sleep better. It's nice and cozy. But anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video, for cleaning with me, as I hope you did do that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video that I have coming next Sunday. And thank you so much, as always. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.